Hi, today we are going to introduce ArcRelay, which is an ultimate solution for API monetization. It is available across any Circle-supported blockchains. So imagine that you're a developer who created a super useful API and now you actually want to monetize it. The problem with current system is that you have to pay in advance some amount, like $10, say, and you might or might not actually use all of this money. So we decided to use X402 protocol, which allows you to pay per requests, so that you don't have to worry about not overpaying for something that you actually don't use. And our solution is language agnostic. The only thing we require from developers is an open API JSON, which we use to process the endpoints.
So how we actually utilize Circle tools? They bring the user experience to the next level. We create developer-controlled wallets for our developer users who want to monetize their services, and they get payments to those wallets. We utilize Gateway in order to provide unified balance for developers so that they can receive payments in all Circle-supported blockchains, and they don't have to worry about each specific one.
So now we're actually going to run a small demo of our project. So here we have our custom facilitator running, which actually settles the payments between users who want to access the API and developer wallets. Here's our front end. Here's the proxy, which actually makes developers API payment protected. And here's the actual API, which we will monetize in this demo. So now we can go to the front end.
So here we've got a login page. Once you create your account, we register a certain number of wallets for you in your wallet set. And then you can set up your endpoints in order to receive the payments to those Circle developer managed wallets.
So now there are two active endpoints. We can disable or enable them. Let's disable one. Let's set the price for this one to be 0.12, timeout 600 seconds, which is fine. And we will save the changes. Now we can go and actually try to run this, to get some data from this API. So here we imitate how a user or an AI agent, who might also be a user, would actually handle these payloads to get data from this payment protected API. So let's just run this command.
So run a simple script which makes try to access an endpoint, gets through to error with instructions how to pay, make the payment, submits the receipt, and then our facilitator makes the payment and transfers the funds from the user to the developer.
As we can see, it has been successfully facilitated, and now we can actually go to the withdraw page. And hopefully we will see that the balance has gone up by $0.12, which it has. And now if you actually want to withdraw some money from this platform, this is where the Circle's gateway comes into play.
Yep, so we can choose the blockchain we want to transfer our funds to, the address on the blockchain, and the amount. And everything else is handled for the developer. The unified balance could be across any Circle blockchain, any Circle-supported blockchain. We see that the payment was successful, the balance decreased. And now if you go to the Explorer,
if we go to the Explorer, now we can actually see that 42 seconds ago a payment of $0.1 has gone through. And now we can try another blockchain, say Arc. Let's withdraw $0.1. We will wait a bit for it to be processed.
When we make the payment, we deposit funds from the user wallet to the gateway. And now on the Explorer we can see the token transaction, which happened 9 seconds ago. And you can see that it's token minting, which is done through the Circle gateway.
So let's monetize our APIs. Thank you.
Thank you.